I will help you to progress from a day trading beginner to a pro level. Beginner Level 1. Learn the basics. Understand trading terminology, concepts, and risk management. 2. Choose a trading platform. Familiarize yourself with a platform like MetaTrader, TradingView, or NinjaTrader. 3. Start with a demo account. Practice trading with virtual money. 4. Focus on one market. Begin with a single market, like Forex or stocks. 5. Develop a basic strategy. Use simple indicators like moving averages or RSI. Intermediate Level 1. Refine your strategy. Incorporate more indicators and chart patterns. 2. Learn technical analysis. Study candlestick patterns, trends, and support resistance. 3. Manage risk. Set stop losses, limit position size, and use risk-reward ratios. 4. Analyze market news. Understand how news affects market movements. 5. Start with small live trades. Gradually transition from demo to live trading. Advanced Level 1. Develop a trading plan. Define your goals, risk tolerance, and strategy. 2. Master technical analysis. Learn advanced techniques like Elliott wave theory or harmonics. 3. Improve risk management. Use position sizing, hedging, and scaling techniques. 4. Stay disciplined. Stick to your plan, avoiding impulsive decisions. 5. Continuously learn. Stay updated on market analysis, new strategies, and platform features. Pro Level 1. Refine your edge. Continuously improve your strategy and risk management. 2. Develop a trading psychology. Cultivate mental discipline, patience, and focus. 3. Stay adaptable. Adjust to changing market conditions and refine your strategy. 4. Expand your knowledge. Explore new markets, instruments, and trading techniques. 5. Join a trading community. Network with other traders to share knowledge and insights.